Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. For over 25 years, I've deployed ERP applications for some of the world's largest organizations. During that time, I've taught thousands of people just like you how to discover, use, deploy, and support Oracle's back office applications. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to personalize Oracle Cloud. This lesson is part of the Oracle Cloud Getting Started course. But before we get started, did you know that you could earn free badges for display on your LinkedIn profile just by watching videos like this one? You can. Stay until the end of this video and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. Key topics in this presentation are as follows: user personalizations, user homepage personalizations, application personalizations, basic search filter personalizations, advanced search filter personalizations, search results personalizations, quick actions, and application icons. First up, user personalizations. So as you can see, by opening the settings and actions menu on the upper right, you can set preferences that personalize your application. Second topic, user homepage personalizations. When you scroll down on any homepage, you have a section with which to add infolets. Infolets are reports that cover information that crosses applications or usually transactions. Based on your role, you can click those multiple 4 pieces of paper, which you see in the upper right, opens up My Infolets, and based on your roles, you have a series of different canned reports that you can select to put on your homepage. Topic number 3, application personalizations. So as you can see here, here's another place based on an overview page at a transaction homepage level where you can choose different infolets, again, based on your role, to display on your homepage. Basic search filter personalizations. Within Fusion, it's possible to go into your different basic search and create different views or criteria. So if you want to go in and change some of these search filters, the business unit, the transaction ID, the buyer, you can do that and save it and set that to be your default search filter. You see that here. Topic number 5, advanced search filter personalizations. So this is similar to what I just explained, but here you can add any one of a series of fields and then make that field part of the filters that returns your information. You can also go down to your search results, select view, and change the different fields that get displayed as well. So that allows you to change the criteria through which you search and the fields that are displayed. You can save them, set them default. You can roll through the different ones almost like you're creating reports. Section 6, search results personalization. So as I just talked about a minute ago, when you finally get the different search results to appear, there's a series of options that you can do to change or to export them to Excel or to view them differently. And so you see those listed here on the right. The actions will allow you to create or duplicate or export. You could do view by query. If you click that, it'll bring all of the different fields up to where you could say, I only want to see this type of value in that field. You have the create icon where if I wanted to create something new that appears in the search. Duplicate, if I want to duplicate, I'd have to highlight something. Edit, if I want to edit that transaction. As we said, export to Excel, and then the QBE icon as well. Topic number 7, quick actions. So we talked a little bit about this in a couple different videos, but quick actions are a way that you can click on a button and perform the action. And then finally, application icons. So just like quick actions, these allow you to click on them, but in this case, you're taken to another application homepage. So those quick actions and the applications will change as you cycle through the different functional areas. Okay, so that's it for this presentation, but hopefully not it for your learning journey. There are thousands of free videos just like this one. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. We want to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Okay, as promised, here are the 5 steps you can perform today to start earning free badges for your LinkedIn profile. Step 1, navigate to Panameer.com and either sign in or join now. It's free. Step 2, in the upper left, under the Discover menu, select the course that you want to watch and get badged for. Step 3, watch all of the different video lessons in that course. Step 4, when it's complete, send your LinkedIn profile and the course you watched and your user ID to badges@Panameer.com. And then sit back and wait for step 5 when we attach a badge to your LinkedIn profile.